This is not a painting. This is not a filter. This is a real place on Earth called the Zhangye Danxia landform, better known as the Rainbow Mountains. Located in China, these mountains look like they've been brushed with giant strokes of paint. For centuries, they were a local secret, but now they are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So, how did this happen? This is the work of 24 million years. Different colored layers of sandstone and minerals were deposited over time. Then, immense tectonic pressure folded and buckled these layers, creating the wrinkles that form the mountains. Finally, millions of years of wind and rain eroded the rock, carving it into the strange shapes we see today and revealing the vibrant, hidden colors within. Each color represents a different mineral, a different moment in geological time. It's a slow-motion masterpiece painted by the Earth itself, a reminder that the most patient artist is time. A ghost of geological time, revealing its true colors. A place that proves our world is more artistic and more colorful than we could ever imagine. Follow Ghost of Knowledge for the art hidden in our world.